be taking us through the um, technical SEO and the document and how we're going to strategize, right? So this is the document, and these are the tags, the priority, the status. This status is for you to fill, and then the author is for the author to write his name. So we can't edit like this and that. You can't edit it. So as a viewer, right, you can just look like we're going to create map and send to whatever for to Google Search Console. So GSC stands for Google Search Console. So the tool for this is Google Search Console. Then add set my URL to robot.txt, and these are months. You are going to check this if it's allowed. If check robot is allowed to keep page, you will use Google Search Console Tester. These are the tools you'll be using. Then add self-referencing to clinical tag. You can use Screaming Frog. It's a tool. So back like that, and when you get here, talking about the site structure, you must ensure your page, important page, can be accessed within TV click. You use scroll tools and all that. Then you should take note of these notes. For error, they should either you are going to fix them or you are going to redirect them to necessary pages, and you are going to ensure that you filter your links and all that. So we have a lot that we can do. Like, so when you do any of this, you're going to set it up, and if it started, not started, pending, completed, live, you can use any of those options. So now, how do you solve each of them? Because each of these are quite difficult, right? If you look at this, all of these, like improve largest context movement, you're going to use page speed insights, and it's a Google tool, right? So there are some you're going to like enable browsing caching. It's your hosting. Use a CND. Cloudflare is one of the platforms you can use, which we use. Um, you want to do the Google mobile friendly test, you can use Google tests. Ensure responsive design, definitely. You can test that as a developer by testing across multiple device tab. You can use your inspect tool on your browser. So each of them have security, talk about SSL and every of those stuff. There are different ways to get SSL. Redirect HTTP to HTTPS. So, but there are some tools that you should use, like your uptime monitoring. You can use uptime robots. It's a tool. So if you want to add security tools, so many tools you can use. Image, when you come to image, you want to do your image, what they call it, image, compress your image so that you can load easily. Um, Local SEO, Google Business Profile. There are so many now. These are a low lot of stuff, right? What you want to do is you want to ensure that you follow this strategy. Everything is done, or as much as you can do, because depending on the platform you are building your website with, right, you can't actually do everything. I think SEO friendly, you are well while you are building your page and all that. There are some of these that your SEO, especially when you're working on WordPress, your SEO, especially when you're working on WordPress, your SEO um, tool already tick some of these, so you have to just fix them up. And so those are what we are going to look at. And once we are done with this, like each of these has different steps. Each of these tags have different steps. You can search all of these in there are YouTube videos that can help you, blog posts that can help you to implement every of these single tags. So that's all for the document and the strategy of implementing your technical SEO. Thank you.